So I'm going to try to explain the difference between the 4 different models of MCORs that Club Car has come out with, and tell you which, or explain which carts you can use which model on. Okay, these are the 4 MCORs that are made and were made by Club Car. Let's start with MCOR number 1. This MCOR was for DS models only that were 48 volt between the years of 2005 and a half to 2012. Emphasis, no longer available OEM. They quit making these. You cannot get them. There are some aftermarket crap out there, and I'm telling you, do not buy aftermarket. You will be replacing it in a year or less. I'm telling you, I've tried it. I know other people have tried it. You just, if you have this DS model cart, electric cart, that has an MCOR 1 on it, and this is what an MCOR 1 looks like. This is the back of it. Looks just like a precedent one. The difference is this right here is where the rod for the pedal goes in here and turns. That's how you tell the difference between a DS MCOR and a precedent MCOR. Let me put them side by side. DS, precedent. That's the difference. On the back, they look identical. So anyway, getting back to this DS MCOR 1. Only use OEM, which is no longer available. So what do? If you have this cart, there's a conversion kit, what I'll get into in a little while. But do not buy the aftermarket one, okay? If you have that, go for the conversion kit. Now, MCOR 2. MCOR 2, as you can see, are for Club Car precedents only, and they work on both pedal groups. There's 2 different pedal groups that Club Car has, pedal group 1, pedal group 2. These are still available, OEM. Do not buy any aftermarket crap. I'm telling you, OEM. This is what it looks like. I just showed you. That's where the shaft goes. That's what it looks like. Now, when I say it fits both pedal groups, there are 2 different pedal groups. Matter of fact, I can show you. I have. Let me back up. This is a pedal group 2. Okay? How you can tell what pedal group you have without taking this entire contraption out of your cart, this is how you tell the difference. Pedal group 2, there's 2 ways to tell the difference. See this metal right here? This and this are black. See it? They're black colored. And the go pedal, the gas pedal, is curved. Let me see if I can get, there you go. See how it's curved? That's a pedal group 2. This and this. Now, a pedal group 1 looks like this cart. How you tell the difference, it's silver, and the pedal is straight. Get a side view. Okay, the metal is silver, gas pedal is straight. This is a pedal group 1. Very important. That's how you tell what you have, 1 or 2. Come back to this video if you don't know. Black curved is 2. Now, going back to here, MCOR 2 will work on either one of those. An OEM one will work on either one. If you have a pedal group 1, the silver one, you have 2 options. Actually, you have no options other than this. This is the only MCOR that will work on a pedal group 1. The only one. You just, if it goes bad, you buy a new OEM MCOR 2, put it right on. You have more options with the pedal group 2. Let's get back to the MCORs. MCOR 3 were made for precedents with pedal group 2. These were no good. They were crap, and they're no longer available. It didn't take Club Car long to those and go to an MCOR 4. Now, let me show you the difference. This is an MCOR 3 with a white label. This is an MCOR 4 with a yellow label. MCOR 3, MCOR 3, MCOR 4. Don't let that Mexico word throw you. For some reason, all of their OEM stuff is made in Mexico. Anyway, see one of these, you can still use them, but they're really no better than an aftermarket if they're around. They make aftermarket MCOR 4s. Don't buy them. Now, getting back to, once they went to the MCOR 4s, these are for precedents with pedal group 2. But you can also use these when you buy a conversion kit for a DS. The new conversion kits all convert to the MCOR 4s, okay? If you have the pedal group 1, you cannot convert. You have to buy that. If you have the pedal group 2 precedent, you're going to be using this or this. The pedal group 2 will use either ones. It'll use the MCOR 2 or the MCOR 4, either one. And the reason why, if you have a pedal group 2 right now and it has an MCOR 2 on it and it goes bad, you might consider converting it to the MCOR 4, mainly because it's a lot cheaper. We're still only talking OEMs, but the MCOR 2 is pretty pricey, especially compared to the MCOR 4. So those are the 4 MCORs right there. What I'm going to show you now are the conversion kits available. Club Car conversion kits. Now the first one, AM 293101. As you can read, this conversion kit is for 48 volt DS models that currently have an MCOR 1. This kit converts to an MCOR 4. Remember, the MCOR 1s are no longer available OEM, only the cheap aftermarket crap. So this is what the kit looks like, 293101. MCOR conversion kit has lots of parts in there. A wiring harness adapter, all kinds of stuff. But the most important part, on your DS, let me bring it over here. On your DS MCOR, remember I was telling you that star versus the precedent one, the difference? Okay, your pedal, see this rod right here? This hooks onto your gas pedal, and when you push on it, it turns. And the other end of this goes in there. That's what the star is. Okay, let me get my thumb out of the way. So this goes in here, and when you step on it, it turns. Okay, that's how that works. Now, in this conversion kit, part of that, you're taking that out and you have a newer one. See, this is what the new one is, and the difference on the end of that, see, the end of that won't turn that. Let me put it in there. It just spins. But the MCOR 4, that's what this is. See, that is made to accept this. Get down there like that. So that is how it sets up in your DS. So this conversion kit, again, 293101, if you currently have an MCOR 1, buy this conversion kit. Don't buy that aftermarket one. Okay? That takes care of your DS if you currently have an MCOR on it. Next kit, 293001. This kit are for precedents only. Only fits precedents with a pedal group 2. Remember the black pedal, the black metal and the curved pedal, that's group 2. So this is an MCOR 2 to an MCOR conversion kit. Still available. The parts, it's this wiring harness. There's this little adapter which changes the MCOR 2, part of this goes in there, and then it converts to this, to the MCOR 4. So anyway, this again, it only works on the pedal group 2, and it's for cheaper if you want to save money. Okay, you can still get the MCOR 2s if you want put on that, but I would advise going to the MCOR 4s. Like I said, they're just cheaper, and they're just as good as long as they're OEM. Now, the big daddy. This kit, AM293201. This conversion kit is for DS carts that were pre-MCOR. Carts that are 48 volt between the years 1996 to 2001 that do not or have not ever had any MCOR throttle. No 36 volt carts. So if you have a DS cart between those years, you probably have either a V-Glide setup or a potentiometer, the variable potentiometer setup. This kit, there it is there, pre-MCOR to MCOR 4, this is what you want. If your V-Glides anymore, some of them, a lot of them you can't get anymore, and you can piece them together, but you know, shit can all that stuff and go with this kit. I'm telling you, it's just so much nicer. It's easy to do. It's going to take you a couple hours, maybe 4 hours, depending on your ability your mechanical ability. But this kit is well worth it if you have a DS with that V-Glide in it. So again, pre-MCOR, it's this one right here. Definitely worth the money that this kit. There's a lot of parts in there, and it comes with the instruction book. So there's a newer bag from Club Car, but you can just, you probably can't see how many parts are in there, and a wiring harness, and there's a lot to it. So anyway, those are the three kits. 293101, the current MCOR 1, converts to MCOR 4. The 293001 is for Precedence Pedal Group 2 that you want to convert from MCOR 2 to MCOR 4. And the Big Daddy, if you have a DS that does not have a 48 volt DS that does not have an MCOR but has a V-Glide or a variable potentiometer, you can put one of these kits on there. Earlier when we were talking about those, when I was showing the 4 MCORs, one thing I did not mention, there is one particular model, a year, 2009, of the Precedence. There was a time during the MCOR 3 debacle with Club Car, they apparently had a bunch of carts on the assembly line and couldn't move them. Didn't know what they were going to do because of the MCOR 3. So they came up with a patch, they call it, and it's and it only was on the 2009s, and it's a redheaded stepchild. Sorry about the term, but it is. If you have one of those carts, they're expensive. It's a little box that looks kind of a little bit like an MCOR 4, but a little smaller. And depending on whether you have an XL cart or an IQ cart, one of the little boxes has 3 resistors in it, the other one doesn't. Anyway, I don't have one here with me. I thought Mark has. We only keep one of those in stock because they're pricey, and Mark has it on his truck. But if you have a 2009 Precedent and you open up that floor and you see something that looks nothing like this, it looks like it's got an extra little harness in there, that something like this. It has something like this in there going to a little box. It's just weird looking, but if you have that, you may want to change pedal groups. You may want to change the pedal group on there, or the parts are still available from Club Car, but I don't have the part number in front of me. I'm sorry, but if you're one of the people that have that, get a hold of me and I'll give you more information on that. I can sell you the kit. I can tell you the part numbers. That I just don't have them on hand. Sorry about that. So hopefully this video at least showed you the different kinds of conversion kits, the different MCORs, what they fit. We've got everything. We've got bodies up there, tires, light kits, brake. We can do anything you need on a golf cart. Chargers. Do we have chargers? You're locally and you need a used charger. We have tons of them. It fits anything. Okay. We also have a bombardier up here that I want to get rid of. If you're interested in a bombardier, contact me. Real nice looking one. Let me see it. That green one up there, 72 volt. Got the golf attachments. Anyway, we got that in here. We need to get it off our lift and get it out of here. And I just noticed we got a ton of DS's in here for some reason. We got to start selling those, getting them out of here. So if you're local, I sell these things for like $1,500 to $1,800 with brand new batteries and a 1-year warranty. So anyway, thank you. Subscribe and tell friends, and I appreciate it. And let me know if you need a video made. Thank you.